Sawadika! Welcome to my first vlog trip. This is first time I went to travel with my friends. We decided to go to Koh Larn. These are my friends, the best people on the world. I'm very lucky to have them. And this is me. Say hi! Amazing place. Kara Resort. Oh, so nice, so nice. And breakfast gonna be good as well. Bye. Nan gone. Boyfriend responsibilities. I've never been driving bikes before. I tried, I didn't work, okay. Beach is so nice. 진정ยวทะเล นะคะ. The sweetest couple is here. Go and check out my previous videos.
But you gave me cinematic.
Yeah,
video.
I want video too.
One video? Okay.
Can you say words again? My dear friend Shilpa,
like hell.
enjoying the sun.
British accent.
Yeah guys, I was eating so much I had to burn calories by walking. Cry. Look at this water. Going back home, this was very interesting and tiresome day. I almost cannot open my lock door. This is breakfast. So good. Aroy mak. Asking my friend to help me.
God, I should not fall in the back.
So more photos you can check on Instagram. Let me walk everywhere, please. She's not used to it. I had to change clothes because it was way too hot. Ron mากขึ้นไปนะคะ. We decided that we want to go to the beach, but Shilpa and I forgot our swimsuits, so we had to go and buy it. And we went to another place. Found such cute dogs. I took a few more shots, so you can check it on my Instagram. Staying with Shilpa is listening Indian songs. We get back to Pattaya and tried my favorite ever, my traditional food. And this is a cutlet, chicken Kiev from my hometown. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. See you next time.